Yo quiero par de millones. Chillin'.
Yeah, what's good? Today we got another video, and we are with my boy.
And you said the one on County Line has 4, right?
County Line has 4. The other place had 6. Go right up to Anderson Snow.
All right.
They have.
What do we get today? What do we got?
Wheel studs.
Wheel studs.
Man, all fucked up.
The lug nuts have nothing to do with this. Once you take this off, this slides out by itself, and then you have the hub, and the hub is connected to the lug nuts.
God.
So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a process. So I didn't really get to talk too much after when we were out at the store, but we went to 2 AutoZones just to get a couple lug nuts, studs for the 2014 Civic SI. You guys have seen it on the channel before if you guys are OG subscribers. He's changing them because they're all stripped. If they're not stripped, they're broken. And he has wheels that he's trying to put on, like the odd Hans that right here. Right now he's running stock ones in the front, stock SI wheels in the front, but he's got odd Hans in the rears. What are you doing here, my guy? What size is that?
12.
12? So 2 12s for the caliper, one on top, and then the other one right there on the bottom. Alright, so to take off this caliper, you have, as you can see right here, 4 bolts. You got 2 here and 2 down here. The 2 right here are the outside ones. It goes like this. These 2 are 12s, and the 2 bigger ones are 18. No, these are 17. So the big ones are 17s and the small ones are 12s. Next thing that we have is the disc, and the disc has 2 fill-ups, one there and one there.
Para meterlo lo cortamos también.
A menos que no lo fuese ahí, lo doble el plato.
Doble el plato viejo eso y vuelve y lo endereza.
There's a bolt and a washer, and then the factory lug nut. Manpower. Another thing that I found out, if you use WD-40 to put the lug nuts in, it goes in so much easier. Alright, so he just finished putting it on. All you gotta do is do the reverse process. Put the disc back on, put the caliper back on, and then after you have the caliper, throw the wheel back on, and then slap on some new lug nuts. Some new mother.